Hey there, fellow travel lovers. Welcome to Two Brits Travel, where adventure begins and ordinary life ends. We're Rena and Paul, a British couple who swapped the 9-to-5 life for passports, backpacks, and a one-way ticket to freedom. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the quiet charm of coastal Bulgaria, we're on a mission to explore it all and take you with us. Follow our journey for real, honest travel stories, practical tips, digital nomad hacks, and everything in between. Whether you're planning your next trip or dreaming of a travel-fueled life, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Two Brits Travel and come explore the world with us, one unforgettable adventure at a time. Your journey starts here. From golden beaches kissed by the Atlantic to dense rainforests echoing with the calls of tropical birds, Cameroon is a country of stunning contrasts. As it marks 65 years of independence, we celebrate a land often called Africa in miniature, where nature, culture, and resilience converge. But this is more than a tribute to its past. It's a journey into the present-day heartbeat of a country rooted in tradition, yet reaching boldly into the future. Cameroon's road to independence is one of the most complex in Africa. Initially colonised by Germany in the late 19th century, it was divided between France and Britain after World War I. French Cameroon gained independence in 1960, but the story doesn't end there. In a rare example of voluntary unification, the British-administered Southern Cameroons chose to join the Republic in 1961. Giving birth to a bilingual nation, French and English. Unique identity that continues to define Cameroonian politics and society today. The early years were filled with hope, but also with growing pains as the young republic struggled to forge unity among its many ethnic groups. Why is Cameroon called Africa in miniature? Within its borders, you'll find nearly every landscape the continent has to offer. Desert plains in the north, tropical rainforests in the south, grasslands in the west, and even volcanic mountains to the southwest. Mount Cameroon, the highest peak in West Africa, rises above the Gulf of Guinea, while the Waza National Park shows a completely different ecosystem with dry savannas and big game. From the highlands to the Sahel, Cameroon is a mosaic of ecosystems, and it's all in one country. Cameroon is home to one of Africa's most biodiverse rainforest systems. In places like the Jar Faunal Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, rare and endangered species still roam freely. Gorillas, forest elephants, chimpanzees, and hundreds of bird species live in harmony with the environment. But this balance is fragile. Illegal logging, poaching, and climate pressures threaten these ancient ecosystems. Today, local and international conservation groups are working with indigenous communities to protect the forests, combining traditional knowledge with modern science. Yaoundé, the political capital, is a city built on hills. It's home to Cameroon's government, universities, and museums. Douala, the economic heart, buzzes with trade, business, and nightlife. These cities reflect Cameroon's contradictions. Modern towers rise next to colonial buildings. Street vendors compete with shopping malls, and mobile tech is redefining daily life. Despite infrastructure gaps, the urban youth are driving change, turning cultural pride and digital tools into creative and economic opportunity. Music is the soul of Cameroon. From the soulful melodies of Bikutsi to the danceable beats of Makossa, its rhythms are known across Africa. Traditional dances remain vital in ceremonies, from royal enthronements to harvest festivals. Each region has its own stories, passed down through drumming, call and response singing, and symbolic dress. As Cameroonian artists go global, they bring tradition with them, blending ancestral pride with modern soundscapes. Cameroonian cuisine reflects its ethnic diversity and agricultural richness. Meals are hearty, communal, and full of flavour. Popular dishes like ndole, a stew made from bitter leaves and ground nuts, or puff puff, fried dough balls, are staples at both home and celebration. In the coastal regions, fish is grilled fresh and served with pepper sauces. In the grasslands, tubers and fermented maize are key ingredients. But food is not just nutrition, it's connection. It brings families together, marks rites of passage, and keeps heritage alive. Cameroon faces real struggles, political tensions between Anglophone and Francophone regions, unemployment and rural poverty. Yet Cameroonians continue to rise. Across the country, local leaders, educators, and entrepreneurs are creating grassroots solutions, building schools, launching cooperatives, developing apps, and mentoring youth. The fight for a better future is not abstract. It's happening every day in classrooms, clinics, farms, and forums. Every year on May 20th, Cameroonians unite to celebrate National Day. The streets come alive with parades, music, and colourful displays of cultural pride. For many, it's a moment of reflection on sacrifice, achievement, and unity. Across villages, towns, and cities, the nation celebrates not just its independence, but its identity. As a people shaped by many histories, yet bound by a shared future. Cameroon is a nation of contradictions and creativity. A land where nature meets innovation and where hardship is met with hope. At 65, its story is still unfolding, a story worth knowing, visiting, and supporting. Whether you're drawn by the music, the mountains, the spirit of its people, Cameroon welcomes you. Visit Cameroon, celebrate diversity, experience Africa. Subscribe for more cultural journeys across Africa and beyond. We're Rena and Paul, and this is Two Brits Travel. Thanks for joining us on another step of our journey, where we turn daydreams into destinations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social to keep up with our latest adventures. New videos drop every week with tips, stories, and inspiration for your next big trip. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and travel well.